When leaning, you have to rely on the fact that I'm not around all the time. You know, back in the day, I had everything that I wanted anyway. The problem was that I was a god in my own right. I mean, I was a leader of the pack. So let's go there. Let's make our mistakes. Come on, let's go there. I'm looking for the captain of the cheerleading team. Can you take me higher? You're a bad boy and the cheerleader. She is in the middle between insane and guilty. So, where's your steak knife? Come on, Buffy, where you hiding? Any time that you throw up the deuces, you make excuses for the team. When you flip around and twirl in the air, do you care that you're making a scene in public? Go there. Let's make our mistakes. Come on, let's go there. Let's go and be an item. Let's take items from the store and put them where they can be stored, like in the pantry. Go and show your parents, please. In the bedroom, captain of the cheerleading team. Come on, Buffy, where you hiding? Vampires come out at night, and you know I did not bite yet. Saga, come on, please. That soggy nurse attitude is an excuse. That soggy bread, vampires and cheerleaders, and make them mine. Can you take me higher to a place where I'm unseen? Can you take me higher? Can I get the letter T? Can I get a O? Can I get another O? Two. Now do a backflip